Hey everyone, it's Elle, and join me as I tour this 2-bedroom luxury resort-like apartment. It is stunning in here, so stay tuned. Okay, everyone, so this apartment is located in the Fort Bend area of Texas, and it is absolutely stunning with resort-like features and views, clubhouse amenities, which features a pop-up bar for the pool, and the indoor clubhouse is absolutely stunning. Pool table, you get Wi-Fi, office-like amenities. You don't have to leave the resort. If you work from home, this is an absolute treat. So as we make our way into the apartment, you're getting an open floor plan, a huge dining area, and they have a rather big dining room table here, which just goes to show you how big the space is when you walk into the apartment. And then added bonus, there is built-ins on the side, so you can even use that area as an office. And then we move into this great kitchen area. It's spacious. There's a lot of space in here, but it has that island so you can have your stools. You can put 2 to 4 stools on each side. It's a really great place. And then you also have a little pantry there, and then you can put a bar cart. I really love this apartment, and there are other designs as well. But then you have this open floor plan concept living room. It shows you that you can have a sectional in here. You know, it's room for all of your great decor, your decorating skills. It's going to show off really well with this open concept apartment. And then we're moving into the primary suite. It's a big bedroom. Again, it's styled really nice, so you can see all that you can put. You can put your sideboard, whether you want a TV, a bench at the end of your bed. This is a king-size bed, so you are good to go with 2 nightstands, and you have stunning views, panoramic views from every window in this apartment. So that is a bonus. And then it has this marble bathroom with tiled floor, so you're getting the best here. It's not too big, not too small. You have a shower. You do not have a tub, but hey, the shower is spacious, double sinks, pulls on your bathroom cabinet. So all of this really gives you a good feel for the bathroom. Big spacious walk-in closets. So are you sold yet? I'm telling you, these apartments in here really stunning, really nice. Now let's make our way to the second wing of this apartment. Now you have that flex space there, again with built-ins and a large walk-in closet that you can turn into anything that you want. And then you're moving into a little hall, so it's spacious. And then you have a fairly big bathroom with a big size tub, perfect for your guests or a roommate. This apartment is really giving a lot of ideas, options, and inspiration for decorating a 1 to 2 bedroom apartment. Long hallway with laundry amenities there. Big second bedroom. Okay, so you're not fighting over which bedroom is bigger, because both of the bedrooms that I showed, it's giving you a lot of luxury, a lot of space here. You can see that you have a sideboard, extra decor, and a chair. And again, you get outside views of the pool, panoramic views of all of the luxury, no matter what window you look through in this apartment. So it shows and feels really good in here. Really great amenities. Again, another big walk-in closet So if you don't need to have a roommate and you just want another bedroom, you have great ideas for a second part of this apartment. We're gonna make our way to the outdoor patio section, and of course I have to share with you the beautiful decor that they have, and you get inspiration. So even though you may not be in the market for the apartment, you may be in the market for some great decor, and getting decorating inspiration and ideas. So yes, we're gonna go outside onto the patio, and how beautiful is this? You're secluded, you have room for chairs, you can decorate this, put some more plants, or you can just enjoy what's already there. It doesn't take much to make this piece feel tranquil, serene like, and just give you an idea of what outdoor indoor living is like without having to break your budget for a bit of luxury. And although we enjoy a decorated apartment, let me share with you an empty apartment tour in this same complex so you can get a feel of what you can do with an empty space. It's going to be a different layout, but I truly hope you enjoy. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.